Okay. So I just entered the definition for table here. So table is a collection of records in the database. So whatever the data is here coming from this filter navigator, that will be that all the modules are tables, we can say. So incident is one table, change is one table, service request is one table. Like segregating the data. Incidents means any queries or any particular incident, any particular issues coming on already existing forms, right? So if I enter incident dot list, so it will open incident table. Don't be confused with the tables and lists. It looks both are similar. So yesterday we have seen list view of incident table, like these are all the list view. But today we want to see what is table. Like all the list of records are stored in one table. The table name is incident underscore list. So I'll explain this table names today itself, but not now. So table is a collection of records in the database. You can say these are all records, right? That this is one record, this is one record, this is another one. So this table is a collection of all these records, and each row corresponds to uh, each record corresponds to a row in a table. This is one record, this is one record, and each field of the record corresponds to column. So this is field. The fields are stored here in columns, and records are stored in rows. So this all records and fields corresponds to one particular. This will organize a table, and applications use tables and records to manage data and process. If I enter all, okay, don't show up. Create, no. Just observe one thing. If I search create, sorry, if I search for change, change underscore start list. Yes. Okay. So in any real time scenarios, if there are any incidents, actually incident means you have already existing application or existing process going on, but if you get any particular inconvenience on that particular incident, process, then you can raise incident. Then there are some change requests table. Change request means if one user gets one particular issue in existing process, then that will be incident. If one user gets not only one user, if multiple user gets same issue multiple times, then the process should be broken. There should be some updates required. If that updates are required from backend, then we will create a problem request. Then we will add all those particular incidents to one particular problem request. We will work on that particular problem. That will be problem table. Here they mention problem statement unable to send or receive emails. This means there will be multiple users gets the same error. So instead of raising multiple requests for same issue, then the database will be messed up with so many incidents, right? So if it is automated system, that particular incidents will be assigned to available people. There that will be mess. But if at all you some management or TL of that particular team has been identified the issue, like this is something system is broken, everyone is getting the same error, then they will raise one problem ticket. Like instead of creating incidents from all the users, one person will take the lead and they will create one ticket from problem table, and that one particular problem will be worked by one person, and they will resolve the issue. Then that will be problem table. If at all any new releases coming, any new enhancements will be coming without any changes, like every time new patches, new versions are coming from ServiceNow, right? Within 1 year, at least two versions will be coming up. Those releases are coming automatically, like there might not be any issue, or there might be some issue, but changes are coming. If we have any issues identified, worked on that will be problem. If any new enhancement, proactively team will work on this one, then if they work and complete that particular task, that comes under change. Understood what is problem and what is change? Are confused?
No, I know. Actually, yesterday I also did one change. Whatever the forms, actually in our applications, we want to implement some forms. So
Okay.
first we create a change request, then we implemented the form there in server. Then we have a particular time to for complete the
Yes.
change. Yeah, then we did the implementation, all the things. Then we just close the change. When and then one person is there who will approve the change, no?
Yes. Yes.
So that is the thing we did yesterday. And problem ticket, how we are using, like suppose we got the multiple incident from the same issue, same
Yeah.
application, like they are unable to log in the application and multiple users are affected. So what they
Yes.
will do, they will create the MIB there. Okay, and they will after resolving the issue, they will create the problem ticket and put problem ticket to that group, which means because of them it was having the issue. Suppose server team, like there was a issue in server. So
Okay.
what they will do, they will create a problem ticket and assign to server team. So server team has to ask, like means they have to give the answer, like how it was the issue, something. If it was
Root cause analysis will
uh
be done there.
yes, if it was because of us for application sites, then they will create a ticket and they will create a problem ticket and they will put to us. So
Yeah.
that is the thing we are
So
doing here.
uh, multiple incidents will be a problem. So some companies will follow some types, but here multiple incidents is a problem. Whether after resolving the incident, then might be creating problem and assign and get the root cause. Or
Uh,
some companies
yes.
follow with the before getting resolution itself, they'll create a problem ticket and work on that. But the
Okay, and in some companies, they are not creating multiple incidents, they are creating a problem ticket directly, right?
Yeah. So if at all user sorry, TL or any other system admin for that particular team identifies there will be multiple incidents are raising for the same concern, then they will ask their team to stop raising incidents, and they will directly create problem ticket. But assigning of that particular ticket to some teams like assignment group, that will be a discussion further. So whenever problem ticket will be raised, then multiple teams should be gathered and they will discuss the issue again. Then they will identify or finalize who will be the assignment group for that particular issue. So most of the times
Mhm.
there won't be much problem tickets for ServiceNow developer. For other department,
Hmm.
I'm not sure for which department, which assignment group you work for.
Actually, we have multiple applications, so we work for those assignment groups.
Okay, you might be a user from user for multiple assignment groups. So are you getting
Hmm.
problem tickets regularly?
No, 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 not because it is very difficult to
Yeah,
give the answer, right? So, in 2 months or 3 months or 6 months, we are getting one ticket only.
yeah. Problem tickets might not be raised very regularly, but change request will be regular process.
Yeah, change request we create weekly only.
Mm,
Like suppose weekly we have actually in our application we implement the form every week. Suppose they are actually we are working in a healthcare project, right? So in US, whatever the patient records they wanted to print, so they are keeping update the forms on the every week or every 2 weeks. So
yeah.
those forms we will implement in the servers, then they will print the forms. So those form after means we are implementing through the change only.
Got it. You already know the process then. So
Yes, yes,
I was just explaining. So this is one table, and segregating the data and stored in particular place, so the data won't be messed up.
yes, correct.
So the applications use tables and records to manage data and process. So like such as incidents as table, change as table. And tables can extend to other tables and create parent and child tables as well. So what is parent? What is child? So we wanted to see that one now. So parents, do you have any idea what is parent and child tables?
Yes, suppose we have actually we do these things in incidents. Suppose there are multiple incidents, right? Came. So what we will do, we will create a first incident which is came from the same issue. We will make as a parent child. So we will put that incident into a child means the first incident came for the same issue. We will put that ticket to every ticket in a like
Okay, but
this
any
is a parent.
parent and child incidents. So, okay, you have some idea what is parent and child. So I wanted to explain parent table and child table. You have idea about parent incident and child incident. So okay,
Yes,
no
yes.
worries.
Table I don't have any idea.
So can you observe something here? Problem table has a number first reported by category, subcategory. These are all fields.
Huh.
The
Yes,
same
yes.
fields number requested by category service offering. First reported by means requested by person only. So here are
Mm-hmm.
this also same fields. Even in incident table also same fields number, color created by category. So if you can see there are some fields which is common in all the tables. So if we have multiple fields which are common for multiple tables, then we will create a separate table and configure the fields there. Like configure this particular number created by category, subcategory, all we will configure those all fields in separate table, and from there we will extend the table to other tables. So whenever we have created the common fields, then that is called as parent. And the table which uses those common fields and gets extended from parent table is called child table. So this problem, change, incident, this is all child tables. So parent table for this all particular problem, change, incident is a task table. This is one important interview question. So what is the parent table for incident or change or problem? Answer will be task table. I will show you how it is configured, but the answer will be task table for that. So for the all the fields whichever configured here for caller, category, service offering, those questions, those fields are configured separately in task table, and from there we have extended and get this to this particular incident or change tables. Now we will see table module. So if you type, so in real time environment, I'm not sure why it is not coming today. If I type table here, it should be shown up the keyword table, wherever that keyword table will be there, everything will be show up. There you can see table as a module under system definition. Yeah, it is coming up now, right? It is showing up everything here. If I type table, everything with the keyword table is showing up. So whatever we do for as a as a ServiceNow developer, whatever we do, everything should be done under system definition only. So this is a table module. So if you open this table module provides list of modules in the database. Table module provides modules in the database. So if you search for table here and get a table one under system definitions, if you can open this tables, it provides list of modules which are all saved in your particular base instance database. If you can, even you can search in your real-time environment also. If you get the access, if you can search tables under system definition, you can get multiple modules here. This adaptive authentication event is one module. Here you can see extends table or not. Extensible shows false. That means this is not a parent table. If it is extensible shows true, then it means parent table. We will be getting some data from this particular table. We can create new table by using this table also. But the time is going to end. If we get disconnected, please join with the same link. So these are all the available modules here in this particular PDI instance. But if it is real-time environment, you have multiple modules in the table module. So this table module shows the list of available modules